She's a force to be reckoned with. Yeah, she's one of a kind. Got that confidence and style. She's blowing your mind. With every step she takes, she's owning the scene. A queen in her own right, living her dream.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how we can design ALU using BekiDark on ModelSIM. Now go to file and new project and fill the project name. Finally you will get such a project name .bhd. Okay, ALU is nothing but is an integrated circuit within a CPU that perform both arithmetic and logical operations. We will see those operations in detail and I will going to show you how the ALU looks like. Okay, so look at this picture. There is an input and output values, okay, A and B, which are 8-bit, and there is Cin, and there is a selector which is 4-bit. Okay, so the last value of the selector will determine whether that operation is logical or arithmetic. Okay, and the output will be the Y, okay, which is also 8-bit. Okay, so go to ModelSIM again to the code. So right click on the project and say edit. Okay, to save time we will copy and paste the code and we'll scan upon it. Okay, start from the library. Okay, we import the libraries and we'll declare the name of the entity, that is my ALU. Okay, then the ports which are input and output ports, A and B, selector and Cin will be the input ports, whereas Y will become the output port. Okay, so in the name of the entity, next will be the architecture. Okay, the name of the architecture can be structural, data flow, or behavioral, or any name you want. Of entity name is, and then we'll declare the signals, the arithmetic and logical signals, and we will start from the arithmetic. Okay, with selector put down to 0, that are the 3 bits of selector. Okay, that will determine which arithmetic operations is going to be done. Okay, so it might be the transfer, increment, decrement, transfer, increment, decrement, addition. Okay, so these are the arithmetic operations, but these are done when the last bit of selector is 0. Okay, and the logical operations will be complement. Okay, this is complement, not A, not B, are complement again, and operation or operation, NAND, NOR, XOR, not XOR. Okay, these are the logical operations. Okay, so as I have said before, the last bit of the selector determines the type of operations. Okay, whether it is arithmetic or logical. Okay, so to be arithmetic, the last bit of the selector must be 0, else it will be the logical operations. Okay, go to the project again and let's compile it. Right click on it, compile selected. Okay, the compile of ALU.bhd was successful. Okay, no error here. So again, go to the project. Okay, go to the library, and when you expand the work library, you will get the entity name. Okay, my ALU. Okay, so let's simulate it. Okay, now we can right click on it, add web. Okay, nice. Now go to web. Okay, there is A, B, selector, Cin and Y. Okay, so let's make the selector that is binary. Okay, that is 1 up to 16. Okay, or 0 up to 15. So let's give the value of the A. For example, let's say it's 4. That's 4. Okay, 5 for example is okay, and the value of B will be, let's force it, force, for example, let's make it 1. Okay, and the value of the selector will be determined. For example, let's go to the code and see the, for example, assume it is for example addition operation. Okay, so to be addition there must be 0 1 1 0. Okay, 0 1 1 0. So go to web again and force the selector. Okay, 0 1 1 0. That's right click on it and force. (0 1 1 0). okay, it must be addition operation, so 5 plus 1 y should have to be a value of 6. Okay, after simulating, okay, let's see the value of the input carry will be 0. Force it, make it 0. Okay, let's simulate. Go to simulate and run it. Run 100. Okay, the value of the selector is 0. Okay, that is transfer operation. Okay, since there is, go to force and change the value of selector. Not 0, it must be 0 1 1 0. Okay, make it 6. So 5 plus 1, that is the value will be 6. Okay, that's nice. And the value of the selector gets 0, that is transfer operations, that is transfer of a, so that is since the value of a is 5, it will, the value of y becomes 5. Okay, when the value of the selector is 6, then the value of the operation is addition, so 5 plus 1 will be 6. Okay, that's right. And for example, that is 1010. For example, let's change it. Okay, the value of selector is force it to 2. Okay, that is 0 1 0 0 1 0. Okay, that's 2. Okay, when it is 2, okay, let's say run it. Go to simulate and run 100. Okay, so when the value of the selector is 2, let's go to the code and let's okay, that is decrement operation. Okay, the value is 5, it must be 4 in y, and when the operation is for example 2 here, it is end operation. Okay, so here the value of selector is 2, so go to logical and we will see the logical and arithmetic operations. Okay, when we go to arithmetic operation, it is decrement, that's why the value of where the arithmetic will be 4, logical operation will be end operation, so only the last value is 1, so the end operation would be there. Okay, this is all about my today's video. If you have any question, doubts or suggestion, you can write in the comment part. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.